Hi everyone, I just wanted to make another video to talk more about union and intersections. So I'm gonna help you solve these questions step by step so you get a better grasp on understanding. So the first problem we're gonna do is problem 1, and this is our sample space. These are probabilities, and they want us to know how to do this intersection. So I do want to talk about the difference between intersection and union. And intersection is like, you can think of this like a sad face. You can think of this as a happy face. So this only intersection is like and, so it's only include for both. But the union do not overlap. So no overlap. And you probably get the hang of it after you do a few of them. So the first one, now we're gonna find for A and C. So what I see that are common is 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So no, not these. Wait, actually, yeah. So it won't mess up later. I see 2 and I see these 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write it out actually. So P A sad face C. This is intersection. So this is E2, and then I have E4. So what do we do now? Since we have each one, we can look up here. So we just add these up. So this is 10 plus 25, and this will equal 0.30. So writing it out loud, oh wait, it's 35. My bad. Don't want to confuse nobody. And this is that one. Yay! So we did this one, and now we're gonna do the next one. And the next one is simple space event, and they want us to do a union. Woo! So this means no overlap. And it might sound a little confusing because it's like union, but you kind of get the hang of it after you do it. So I'm gonna write this out again. Our PAUC is equal yeah, okay. So I'm gonna see what they have, and I see, yeah, this one just E. So we have E1. So for E1, we can use the formula. I'm gonna write out the formula so it's not confusing. I'm gonna do probability of A plus the probability of C. And this will be, wait, now I have to subtract it. Yeah, I have to subtract it to P and the intersection of that. So I'm gonna write it out. I'm gonna simplify it. We're gonna find A. So PA is equal to PE1 plus PE3 plus PE5. And then this is gonna be, let's see our numbers. I have 0.12 plus 0.22 plus 0.18, 0.52, and real quick we're gonna do PC. So I'm gonna move all of these. So then now I'm gonna do PC. Well, let me move it a little bit lower. PC, and that will be PE1 plus PE2 plus PE4. And it's gonna be a little confusing, but I'm gonna explain it real quick after I write this all down. 0.30, and this is equal to 0.1260, and then now we're gonna find P. Okay, now finally, it's a lot of steps. PA, that's A and C. Which is equal to E1, which is just 12. So, now, I'm gonna do PA union C is equal to 0.52 plus 0.60 minus 0.12, and that is equal to 1. So, after all this hard work, we have 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna let you see it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do problem 3. So problem 3, we're gonna find the intersection, because this is a sad face. So this intersection. And okay, let me see all the numbers. I only see 3. So our E3, A, and C, E3 is only 33. So probability A and C, 0.33. And now I'm gonna do the 4th question. I think these are more complicated, if I be honest. So first, I'm gonna look at it, and then I'm gonna find the intersection. So intersection remember, enter, I think I spelled that wrong, intersection. This is our N. So I'm gonna do A and C, which is, let me see, A and C, I see these two, so E4, and this is equal to 2. Okay, and then now I'm gonna find PA. The probability of A is equal to the probability of E1 plus the probability of E4, if I look at it correctly. Yeah, okay. And this is equal, well, it might be confusing, but if you see here, it's only these two, so we're gonna add them up. Let me see over here, E1, so I have 0.08 plus 0.26, and this is 0.34 for A. And for C is 3 of them, so that's what I'm looking at. PC is equal to E2 plus E4 plus E5, because there's 1, 2, 4, and 5. And 2, 4, and 5 is 0.27 plus 4 is 0.26 plus 0.20, and that is equal to 73. Is it? 7 plus 6 plus 0. Okay, it should be. And now we're going to use the formula. So it's going to be a little tricky, I'm not going to lie, but I'm going to write it out. So P of A U C is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of C minus the intersection of A and C. And if you remember, I'm going to, I wish I wrote this down. Okay, so then I'm going to do A union C is equal to these two numbers, 0.34 plus 0.73 minus 26. And did I do 26? No, but the intersection, okay, let's just find, the intersection is 0.26. I forgot to write that down. I'm super sorry. 26, and this will be 81, and that will be 81. Okay, this is the rundown for this one. If you watch it till the end, I hope this helped you. Thank you, and I hope this helps for intersection versus union. And have a good day.